Hello, my dear students. This is FaiZ. Welcome all of you to study from home. I hope you all are fine over there. Without wasting much of our time, let's start with our subject social science history portion with chapter number 1 tracing the changes through 1,000 years part 1. We will start our topic with starting with map, or you can say the comparison of two map. But before going to learn about it, as we always start with the concept of our title or understanding the concept of our title, let me start with tracing changes through 1,000 years. Trace means to lead, to touch, or hint. Here, a trace of something is just a hint or suggestions of it. Or you can say a very small amount left behind, from which we will compare the things which we are going to learn and also to get the concept of it. Take a look at maps 1 and 2. Map 1 was made in 1154 CE. CE. You all are knowing about Common Era or current period by the Arab geographer Al-Idrisi. Geographer means a person who is expert in the study of the physical features of our earth and its atmosphere and of human activities, those affect and affected by it. The section reproduced here is a detail of the Indian subcontinent from Al-Idrisi's larger map of the world. Means अल-इद्रीसी ने यहाँ पे उसके मैप उसने जो अपनी नॉलेज के हिसाब से जो मैप बनाया है उसमें इंडियन सबकंटिनेंट के काफ़ी सारे पोर्शन की एक डिटेल्स स्टडी बतलाने की कोशिश की है. सबकंटिनेंट मीन्स a part of continent or a large part of continent. Now, map 2 was made in the 1720s by a French cartographer, person who prepare graph or map. The two maps are quite different even though they are of the same area. दोनों ही मैप एरिया के हिसाब से इक्वल थे, लेकिन फिर भी जो इन्फॉर्मेशन दोनों मैप में बतलाई गई थी वो इन्फॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से वो एक दूसरे से काफ़ी डिफरेंट हुआ करते थे. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, it is also different on the basis of its looks. How? Let me see. In Idris's map, South India is where we would expect to find North India, and Sri Lanka is the island at the top. Means nowadays in the map, or usually all the map top of at the top side always mention with northern part or north portion, but in Idris's map it is it was mentioned southern part. And also Idris's map place names are marked in Arabic that you can see clearly here, that most of the part have mentioned in Arabic language. Here the second map that you can see prepared by a French cartographer. Now, and there are some well-known names like Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh. Kannauj, about which we have learned in class 6, a place where Harshvardhana ruled. Now, map number 2 was made nearly 600 years after map 1. मैप 1 बन जाने के बाद करीब 600 साल के बाद मैप 2 बनाया गया है, during which time information about the subcontinent had changed. तब तक काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेशंस जो पहले अल इदरीसी के पास सब कंटिनेंट के बारे में, कोस्टल एरियाज़ के बारे में, किसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स के बारे में, स्टेट्स के बारे में जो पहले उसके पास नहीं थी, वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आफ्टर 600 इयर्स फ्रेंच कार्टोग्राफर के पास थी, जिसकी वजह से उसने जो मैप बनाया उसमें ये सारी डिटेल्स को क्या किया, ऐड किया. So this map seems more familiar to us, and the coastal areas in particular are surprisingly detailed. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बतलाया that कि 600 years ये काफ़ी लंबा समय होता है. इस समय में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ऑलमोस्ट चेंज हो जाती है. This map was used by European sailors and merchants on their voyages. This map means map 2 generally was used by European sailors. जो यूरोपियन सेलर्स थ्रू वाटरवे एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री या फिर एशिया या फिर इंडियन सब कंटिनेंट में आते थे, वो यही मैप 2 का यूज़ करते थे. Merchant means a person who want to sell their things to the respective countries on their voyages. Voyages means a travel route. Equally important is the fact that the science of cartography differed in the two periods. मीन्स जिस प्रिंसिपल के हिसाब से अल इदरीसी ने अपना मैप बनाया था वो डिफरेंट था फ्रेंच कार्टोग्राफर के मैप के हिसाब से. जहाँ एक मैप में नॉर्थ साइड पे साउथ साइड वाली कंट्रीज़ या फिर प्लेसेस मेंशन किए गए थे. सो द प्रिंसिपल्स वर डिफरेंट. Therefore, when historians read documents, maps and texts from the past, they have to be very sensitive, very careful to the different historical backgrounds. यानी ऐसे जो backgrounds है कि जहाँ से वो ऐसे कॉन्टेक्स्ट लेते हैं अपने कंक्लूज़न बनाने के लिए या फिर अपनी स्टडी करने के लिए, तो उनको बहुत ही केयरफुल रहना पड़ता है. इन विच इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द पास्ट वॉज प्रोड्यूस, कि जिसमें पास्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोड्यूस की गई है. बिकॉज ये एक पर्टिकुलर एरा के हिसाब से मीन्स पीरियड के हिसाब से डिफरेंट हो सकती है. That's all for today's video. Inshallah, in next video we will see the new and old terminology. Thank you for listening me very patiently. Please be safe, stay at your home, be careful, take care of yourself and your family too.